Hello, guys. How you guys doing? This is your girl Mina. Welcome to Haitian Cuisine with Mina. Today, what are we about to make is some ribs in the oven. Okay. Some people do not wash their meat, but I do wash mine. Okay, I wash it with vinegar, lime, and now I took out this and some of the excess fat. Let's try this out. Okay, I let all the water drips. So right now I'm gonna start with my spices. I have paprika, Tajin, Creole seasoning, complete seasoning, I have some yellow mustard, or I had some Dijon too. I could be Dijon, whatever. Some red hot pepper powder. I have some onion powder. I have some coriander. And I have, it says Old Bay, but that's salt that's in there, okay? That's sea salt. Now, let's go. This hand is gonna be touching the meat. This is to touch all the other stuff, okay? So, let me wash this one. Okay, I'm gonna add some mustard in there. Okay, I'm not gonna go too crazy. That's my onion powder. Just want to make sure both sides have. Now I have my complete seasoning. My Creole seasoning. Cajun. Adding my paprika. And let me do some coriander first. There's one thing I haven't put yet, my Haitian spice. Okay, that's my homemade Haitian spices, épices. This is the touch of the Haitian flavor. Okay, that's 1.5 scoop. It's gonna be enough. Get some mallet here. Now, paprika. I'm adding a little bit of oil to make sure everything is sticked in there. And I don't want it to be hard. A little bit of more oil. I want it to be moist. So as you know, I already removed some of the fat. Some sea salt. I have my stove. My stove is warming up in 350. I'm gonna put it in there for like 2 hours and 45 minutes to 3 hours maybe. Okay. That's it right here. Okay, mes amours, that's it right here. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven for 2 hours 45 minutes to 3 hours. And after that I will show you the outcome, how it's come out like. Okay, thank you for watching. That was Haitian Cuisine with me. If you have done your ribs like this before, comment below, let me know. And if this is the first time you're gonna try it, comment below, let me know how you like it. Okay, see you soon.